Another major ammunition manufacturer has been sold, and it seems like this is becoming commonplace. After being turned down in their efforts to purchase all of the Vista ammunition brands, the Colt CZ Group has successfully purchased a different major ammunition manufacturer. I want to tell you all about it. First, I'm going to thank the sponsor of the video, and that's Blackout Coffee. At Blackout Coffee, we want you to welcome 2024 with a resolution you'll want to keep: ditching woke coffee companies and their low-quality roasts. Support a company that aligns with traditional American values and get some great coffee in the process. Links down below, blackoutcoffee.com/GNG. We have coffees, teas, and hot chocolates, and you can always save 10% with my code GNG10. Head on over and check us out. Also want to say thank you to TriStar Trading. Check out this new Killdozer repair manual shirt. I love it. I love it. Let's get into this one. On December 18th, it's a couple weeks ago, the Colt CZ Group agreed to purchase 100% of S&B ammo. I never know how they pronounce it. Cellier and Belleau, or S&B. It's a Czech ammo manufacturer. The cost of acquiring S&B is a staggering $350 million in cash. And in addition to that $350 million, the Colt CZ Group will now issue new common stocks to the CBC Europe Group, the previous ownership, that will bring them to a 27 to 28% shareholder level. That's staggering. That is extremely significant. $350 million in cash, plus, by the way, here's 28% of our stocks, of our ownership. So they did really, really well. It seems to me that European ammunition companies, or European companies, are jumping at the chance to take advantage of American companies cowering and shying away from the ammunition manufacturing game. I don't know what it is. I think it has to do with companies going woke, but that's just me. But I do think that it is a mistake both financially and strategically for these American companies. Who knows, we might need to control ammunition here in this country someday soon. I don't know, you never know. But, you know, what do I know? Nothing, apparently. If there are any other movements in the ammunition arena, I will be sure to bring it to you here on Guns and Gadgets. All you need to do to stay in the know is subscribe to the channel down below. Big red button right down below. Hit it. Go ahead. Go ahead, do it now. I'll wait for you. Guys and gals, thank you for your time. I appreciate each and every single one of you. And I mean it when I say it. You are your own first responder. We are going to be the ones who take this country back and right this ship. Be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. Solidarity and no compromise. That is 2024. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.